Are you ready to unlock a whole new world right in your pocket? I'm about to introduce you to a gadget that's about to make science class, and honestly, your next adventure outside, a lot more fun. Meet the Carson MicroBrite Plus LED pocket microscope. This tiny powerhouse is like having your own personal science lab, and believe me, it's way cooler than it looks at first glance. Let's start with the basics. The MicroBrite Plus packs a punch with its 60x to 120x magnification. That means you can zoom in super close on just about anything. Leaves, coins, even the fabric on your backpack. And it's not just for the classroom. This thing is compact and light enough to slip in your pocket for some spontaneous field science on your next hike or park trip. Now, here's what sets it apart: the built-in Brite LED light. I can't tell you how much of a difference this makes. No more struggling with shadows or bad lighting. The illumination is even and bright, so you see every detail every time. Whether you're checking out a prepared slide or just seeing what dust looks like up close, the view is clear and crisp. And speaking of views, I tried it out myself, and no joke, it's actually fun to use. The focus dial is pretty smooth, and with a little practice, you'll be snapping sharp images in seconds. If you want to take things up a notch, try holding your smartphone camera to the eyepiece. You can actually capture what you're seeing and share it with friends or your science teacher who thinks you never do your homework. Let's talk practicality. It runs on a single AA battery, so you don't have to worry about fancy chargers or cables. Plus, it's sturdy enough for daily use, though I'd still be gentle with it, especially when you're swapping it around with your classmates. I've seen a lot of comments about this microscope being a game changer for learning, and I totally agree. It's hands-on, it's interactive, and it makes you look at everyday stuff with a totally new perspective. Imagine being the first in your class to see the fine hairs on a bug's leg, or the structure of a salt crystal. Yeah, that's the kind of wow factor you get. So if you're a science student or just someone who loves discovering cool things, the Carson MicroBrite Plus is a must-have. It's affordable, easy to use, and designed by optics experts who know their stuff. Unleash your curiosity. And trust me, the world under a microscope is way more interesting than you ever imagined. Go explore.